What's up, guys? So today we are going to head out and we're going to tune my friend's WRX, Kyler's WRX. We installed the downpipe yesterday, and so we're going to head down to Emerald Coast and see what they'll do for us today. So let's check it out. Yeah, I made it. So we're here at Emerald Coast, my friend tuning his car. Check it out.
We've got 235, 240 torque.
So his car was pushing 255 horsepower, now it's pushing 287. That's a big gap, and that's actually extraordinary because when you actually have turbocharged, it's easy to push more boost and get more power. But if you're all NA, you don't have that advantage. You got to get more parts in NA just to create more horsepower. Probably spend like $4 grand to $3 grand just to create like that much extra horsepower. That's crazy. So I'm back home now, and that was a great experience tuning a vehicle, the WRX. It's awesome. It was like 255 to 287. That's a lot of power for that engine since it's still stock, and it just has that downpipe, I would say, and that's big. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys next time. Let's create more content. Yeah.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Yeah, that's the part that's right there. So this is for a Focus RS. So
Closed deck? Are you kidding me?
yeah, so we're gonna close deck a Focus RS block. This is just a junk block that I had, but yep. So we're gonna do a closed deck for that as well.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And what's your name?
Mike.
Mike.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, brother.